Hello everybody, welcome to Fruitful Trees, and here I am in front of my white sapote tree. Yes, white sapote. Most of people watching have never even heard of white sapote, and I have a whole bunch of other fruits in my garden and in my yard that people haven't heard of. But today on the show we're going to have some fun. We're going to be doing a tasting party of certain fruits that people never heard of, four in particular. And one of them is this fruit here. This tree is called the Rolini tree, and it's in the same family as soursop and the Annona family, but most people never heard of the Rolini. But today on the show, my friend Bobby invited me to his house, and he actually had one right off the tree. So we're going to take a look at some that's on the tree and some off of the tree. We're also going to try a mamey, which is a little bit more well-known. He had a tree and ripe fruit, so we checked that out. And then also, he has something called green sapote. Green sapote looks just like a mamey on the inside and tastes similar to a mamey, but it's not. And it's a really amazing fruit, so we're going to be tasting that. Most people never even heard of that one. And then we're going to look at one of his guavas that he has and taste that. So this is a fun episode with a bunch of people that are tasting different fruit, and check it out. Okay, here we are at Bobby's, and Bobby's letting us taste a whole bunch of amazing fruits. And we have a green sapote here, and there's a mamey sapote. This mamey sapote is round, and it's actually from a seedling. And this one is a green sapote. The green sapote is very similar in texture and taste to a mamey sapote, but it's a completely different type of fruit. And a lot of people never even tasted one of these. So I'm going to open this up here and show you. On the inside, it looks just like a mamey. Looks just like a mamey. They call it green because it's green on the outside and taste just like a mamey. Now I'm going to open up the mamey. You see, they look exactly the same. Mamey is just a lot bigger. So we're going to taste this seedling.
Where? I don't know. Home. Home? Yes.
Wow.
For what?
So, two more fruits that I get to taste. What a great life. Alright everybody, I'll put some information about both of these below the video. But these are two fruits you should check out. Mamey sapote and green sapote. We just tried mamey sapote, and this is a green sapote. That's mamey sapote. That's a coconut, and there's a nut.
I'm the bigger nut here.
Yes, and this is what we were just looking at on a tree. This is Rolini, and
Mark.
this is a ripe Rolini.
So the mamey and this is good.
Yeah, yeah.
I like the green sapote more. What do you think?
It was great. Yeah, I've had them. It was more, that particular one was more stringy than this, but they're not always stringy.
No, come on here. Come here.
Here's a
Rolini. Annona mucosa, Rolini deliciosa.
It's also called the snot fruit because it has a consistency of snot.
It's has many names. It's delicious fruits too.
Yes. So we got, that's the mamey seed in there.
You want to make a video out of this?
Yes, yes. All right.
Okay. Let's just.
Most people have never heard of or seen this fruit. I have a tree of this. I've tasted it in Australia, and it was amazing. It's the same family as the soursop, right? Or
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a.
Soursop, that's right.
Okay, just try a little bit. Mirella, come here. We're all going to try this fruit.
Okay. This came right from Bobby's tree. He has two of these.
Because I want to know everybody's opinion. Some people say bad about it. Just pick that up. Or you ate it already. You have to do the review.
Fruit party.
Well, you got to get everybody's opinion on it.
This is amazing. Amazing.
Because you like it.
Oh yeah.
Because you like lemon meringue, you have this. You're gonna like this, the jelly texture.
I like this more than mamey.
You like this more than mamey?
Yes.
I'm impressed by this fruit as well. This
Yes.
is really good Annona. Absolutely.
Yes. What do you think?
No comment. You can have it.
All right.
Look, dummy.
No comment either on her comment.
Sorry.
This is
So-
delicious.
More for me.
1, 2, 3.
Exactly.
3 versus 2. If you ask my honest opinion, it's a really good fruit. Like the sweetness is there. Nice, like a anona lemon flavor. The texture is still okay. I mean, you have to think of it as
I think it's a great texture.
it's a good
Yeah,
texture.
oh yeah, this isn't. Wow.
You don't have to be.
That's you.
Wow. This is
I have a
Yes.
feeling you would like it. I think you like it more than I do. I'm not. And you like it too, right?
This is it's like a jelly soursop.
It's more sweet than a soursop and less sour than a soursop. Slightly. But you're right. You're right. What the one you had in Australia, was it similar? They're not. Yeah.
So good. So good.
That's a yellow cacao. That's a red cacao. Let me see if I can get a. I want to get a cacao for you guys.
There's cacao up there.
Look at this.
Oh whoa, whoa, whoa.
Not the most ripe, but
That's the red one, but it's gonna get redder.
Cacao right off the tree. Wow.
Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is tropical. You know, the best way to open a cacao is
oh yeah, there we go. The only tool
try this,
Bob
man.
needs is
In my
Wow.
opinion, cacao tastes better than mangosteen. It's just not enough flesh.
That's the cacao.
Take the whole thing, man. It's really good. It's just.
That's
I think it's better than mangosteen. It's not enough flesh. I wish there were more flesh. This is really good.
I could eat this all day.
how old are these trees?
Look at this. I don't know.
Wow. Wow. Is this a different
And I'm not
variety?
getting a 1 or 2 cacaos. I get 400 cacaos.
Wow, this is a different variety?
Yeah, this is, I got Trinitario, Forastero, Criollo. I think this is a Criollo.
That one's even better.
This is good. It's just, you want a little more seeds, that's all. Sorry, a little more flesh.
Yeah, that one. They're both great. And chocolate comes from these seeds.
Oh, yeah. You have to ferment it
But
first.
the fruit tastes nothing like chocolate.
No, you got to ferment the seeds, and then the best way to ferment it is keep the pulp with it. The bacteria loves that, ferments it faster. And then you want to dehydrate it, dry it. But you can just throw it in the dehydrator, should be fine. Once it's dehydrated, you just grind it up. That's called the cacao nibs. Once you get the cacao nibs, that's now you grind it up. Now you make the cacao liquor, the fat. You separate the fat from the cacao powder.
Wow.
But this turns red, but it's too early.
Wow. I'm in trouble. This is cacao. Look at this.
This is good. I love this guava. I don't know if you're gonna like it or not. Here. No bueno.
I like it.
It's not ripe all the way.
Yeah.
It could have been better. You like?
All right, everybody, there it was. And if you've never tasted any of these fruits, at some point, taste these fruits in your life because they're absolutely amazing. There are places online now that sell these fruits if you can't grow them yourself. I know one of them is Laura Farms Miami. I'll put that link below the video. When these fruits are in season, they sell them. And if you have the opportunity to get one of these trees, definitely do so, because these fruits are wonderful. Put your comment or question below. Remember, like and subscribe to this video. And thank you for watching, and keep growing.